Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold trading for your next week gold trade. So last week we made good profit. Our Telegram link is below. Gold trading we made good profit last week. You can join with our Telegram group VIP group access and made good profit with the gold trading link is below. So let's go to the next week what will happen on gold. So I'm in a 4 hour chart. Technically I am seeing this trend line is the most important price area. Price has reacted several times in this trend line, so I have marked yellow color. This is the zone. That's the important zone is the this trend line. So I am expecting this trend line will break to the downside and price break going to the downside next week. The retest area is the your sell trade sell opportunity in next week. So that's the I am hoping technically picture next week. So I'm go to the Fed Watch Tool website. This website is I am always updating touch with this website. You can see the March FOMC meeting forecast to the 82.5% interest rate forecast price into the market. So Fed American Central Bank current interest rate is the 5.5. So Fed Watch Tool forecast 82.5%, almost 83% forecast to again post the interest rate in 5.5 in March next FOMC meeting. This interest rate post forecast will increase. That is the help to that will help to the dollar demand. That's the most important things. This will help to dollar demand. So next week what are the economic data you should touch with? I am going to the Forex Factory website. That's the most important economic USDs. USA CPI data yearly report is will release next week. So current inflation rate is 3.4%. So Fed American Central Bank expect to the inflation drop to the 2.9%. So inflation dropped 2.9 or below. That is held to the dollar sell-off. Remember the economic data, economic event. So current inflation rate is 3.4%. That's the Fed forecast rate is 2.9%. 2.9 below dropped the inflation rate. That will help to the dollar sell-off and gold demand. So you should touch with these important economic events if you are trading gold regarding US dollar. That is the most important economic event next week is the USA CPI data report or inflation reports. You should touch with this report. So let's go to the technically what is the going on gold. This is the high I am seeing. This is the low. Price ranging this area. Low is the 2005 area is the low and the 2060 is the high. So 2060 was not able to the break and also 2005 is not was not able to the break. So that is the price ranging area high and low with the technically setup. So I am seeing this type of technical picture next week. So I am seeing the famous pattern in here. I would like to show you. I am in 4 hour gold. That is the left shoulder and this is the head and this is the right shoulder. This is the technical trade. All technical traders know this pattern. This is the head and shoulder, the famous reversal pattern. This pattern always not continuing with the reversal. It can be the upside also. This is the famous pattern head and shoulder. So left shoulder right and head and the right shoulder. Technically I am seeing this type of price action. So I am hoping next week break to the downside with the breakout. This trend line is the most important thing. So break to the downside and retest and dropped. So your sell trade is the retest area is I am seeing sell opportunity next week also. So my first target is the 2010. 2010 is the my first target and the next level target is the next week is the 2000. So this is the two targets next week. so technically with combined fundamental economic setup. So that is the technically setup. I am seeing this type of price action goal next week. So you should touch with the CPI yearly report. That is the most important economic events that will help to dollar demand or sell off with the inflation report. So touch with next week CPI yearly report, inflation yearly report USA. So market uncertainty is more important if you are trading gold, because of gold is the safe haven asset. So Israel Palestine war will be continuing with the more news in next week. That is the market uncertainty. So market risk of sentiment will create next week. That is help to the gold demand. So touch with what I am seeing, what I am telling. So market uncertainty will be create or continuing next week. That will help to the gold demand. So gold, if demand with the risk of sentiment, that is the gold buy opportunity. So remember what I am saying. So economic data, with the economic data, gold sell off, market uncertainty create, that is help to the gold demand from here. So that is the main you should touch with the market uncertainty, Israel Palestine war, or that is the more news you should touch if you are trading gold. So that is the my forecast next week. So my telegram link is below. You should join and get the accurate goal analysis with signals. So thank you very